Hey everybody, it's Miss G. So I felt like we went through Sweat pretty quickly and hopped right into Great Gatsby. You guys didn't have a lot of questions in class, but I wondered if you would have more outside of class. So I thought I'd just come on here and make a little video, and hopefully you guys have taken advantage of some of the videos on Sweat. I'm just going to go into assignments and let's take a look at the Sweat reading questions. It looks like there's two submission boxes here. Let's go in through here. We're in Unit 2. So let's take a look at the Sweat questions. So again, how does Christianity function in the text? How does Hurston's use of biblical allusions contribute to this? So remember, as we were reading through, we talked about her song about the River Jordan. Remember that there was the use of the snake. She talks about climbing the hill of Jessame and going to Calvary, right? And then we also know that Delia is a Christian woman. She goes to church, she prays, she's singing hymnals, and then we get Sykes as sort of her opponent. So where else did you guys see this existing? How does Hurston use symbols to explore different gender roles? So what I love, one of your classmates brought up the point about the frying pan. I thought that was a great observation. The fact that Delia is a washerwoman, but she also is the one who owns the house and has done all the work. She's the primary breadwinner. She stands up to Sykes, who is somewhat abusive. What are you seeing going on with gender roles? The normal gender roles, how are they deconstructed by Hurston? And this is quite innovative because this story was literally written 100 years ago. So pretty cool, pretty progressive stuff considering. Do some basic outside research on the historical context of Sweat. Do you think Delia Jones was an exceptional woman for this time period? How does this story challenge the social norms of this time? So 1920s, what was going on? And we'll see some of that in Gadsby. So it's sort of interesting to compare Delia Jones and where she's living and what she's doing to what is happening in, extreme wealthy New York. So look for that. That'll be interesting to explore. So definitely something you can compare as we transition from one text to the next. And then finally, choose one of the theme pairs and perform and offer some thematic analysis of the text. So you are just choosing one set of these pairs and then offering an analysis of how those themes work within the text. And this doesn't need to be super long, but just discussing how the two pairs work within the text and coincide. So hopefully this helps give you some answers. Again, also remember you have your literary analysis project. So don't wait on that. Get that stuff done. It should be a creative presentation. Do not forget the grading breakdown. You're offering historical context, including literary devices, and analyzing those literary devices. All right. Are you defending an interpretive claim about the text? Are you discussing the themes? What are the deeper meaning? And how are you using creativity in the presentation and the overall cohesiveness of that presentation? So hopefully this is enjoyable. You can pick recitative or Sweat to perform your analysis on. And that's it for this week. It looks like a lot of you guys are already in the discussion doing some great stuff. But as always, if you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, have a good week. Bye, guys.